See? Okay. I gotta take it.
Wow, dude, it's a Jag, too.
No shit. You see where it started?
Huh?
It started
Yeah, right
over there.
here. It kind of launched up, it looks like.
Yeah.
to me. Probably just was like this, sliding sideways and just kept going.
Probably drunk.
Oh, I'm sure. You don't do that sober. That's fucking hilarious.
That's crazy.
I wonder if the dude jumped out and ran. Did they get the guy?
I don't know, man.
Dude, I'd have been out of that car, man. Somebody stole it.
Probably.
No, I'm saying if that was me.
Yeah.